The Nagant M1895 is a 7-shot gas-sealed revolver chambered for a proprietary cartridge 7.62 by 38 mm arrow. Was designed and produced by the Belgian industrialist Leon Nagant for the Russian Empire. Mass or weight is 1.8 lb or 8 kg. Length is 10.5 inch to 35 mm. Barrel length 4.5 inch, which is 114 mm. Cartridge 7.62 by 38 mm arrow. 32 ACP aftermarket cylinder. Caliber 7.62 mm, which is 7.82 mm or 0.308 in actual dia. Action: double action or single action. Both are available. Rate of fire 14 to 21 rounds per minute. Muzzle velocity 1100 fts, 335 ms. Effective range 50 yards or 46 meters. Feed system 7 rounds cylinder. Sights